Good morning, students. Today we study about the biodiversity at global level and national and local level. First one is the biodiversity at global level. Biodiversity is the measure of the variety of Earth's animals, plants and microbial species, of genetic differences within species and of ecosystems that support the species. Out of an estimated 30 million species on Earth, only 1/6, that is 1.4 to 1.8 million species, have been identified and authenticated in the past 200 years. There are at present 1.8 million species to be known and documented by scientists in the world. However, scientists have estimated that the number of species of plants and animals on Earth could vary from 1.5 to 20 billions. Thus, the majority of species are yet to be discovered. An estimated biodiversity covers 4 lakh higher plants. These nations, however, have low levels of biodiversity. Thus, the developed world has come to support the concept that biodiversity must be considered to be a global resource. Conservative estimates of the existing biodiversity is 10 million species, but it estimates for insects are correct, then it could be around 30 million species. We have till now enlisted about 1.4 million species. It includes, among other, about 98% birds, 95% reptiles and amphibians, 90% fishes, and about 85% higher plants known to exist on this earth. Higher plants known species are 2,48,400. Estimate range from 2,75,000 to 4 lakh. At least 10 to 15% species believed undiscovered. Lower plants, that is algae and fungi, they are about 73,900. Microorganisms, they are 36,600. Now the biodiversity at national and local level. India has over 1,08,276 species of bacteria, fungi, plants and animals already identified and described. Out of these, 84% species constitute fungi, means 21.2%. Flowering plants 13.9% and insect 49.3%. In terms of number of species, the insect alone constitute nearly half of the biodiversity in India. These species occur on land, fresh and marine water, or occur as symbionts in mutualistic or parasitic state with other organisms. In the world as a whole, 16 lakh 4,000 species of Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia have been described so far. However, it is estimated that at least 1,79,80,000 species exist in the world as a whole. But as a working figure, 1,22,50,000 species are considered to be near reality. The percentage of different biota in India is as follows. Biota percentage in India. Bacteria in India, bacteria are 850 species are present. Percentage is 0.8. Fungi 23,000, 21.2%. Algae 2,500, 2.3%. Bryophytes 2,564, 2.4%. Pteridophyte 1,022.9%. Gymnosperm 64.1%. Angiosperm 50,000, 15,000, 13.9%. Insect 53,430, that is 49.3%. Mollusca 5,050, 4.7%. Pisces 2,546, 2.4%. Amphibians 204.2%. Reptilia 446.4%. Aves 1,228, 1.1%. Mammalian 372, that is 0.3%. Means the total number of species present taxa in India are 1,08,276. India is 10th among the plant-rich countries of the world, 4th among the Asian countries, 11th according to the number of endemic species of higher vertebrates, that is amphibia, birds and mammals, and 10th in the world as far as richness in mammals is concerned. Out of 10 hotspots identified in the world, India has 4. These are Eastern Himalayas, Northeast India, Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The crop which first grew in India and spread throughout the world include rice, sugarcane, Asiatic vignas, jute, mango, citrus and banana. Several species of millets, medicinal, ornamental and aromatics plants were first grown in India. India ranks 6th among the centers of diversity and origin in terms of biodiversity. This is all about the biodiversity at global and national and local level. Thank you.